Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 additional face mask hacks to make your masks fit better and give you better protection. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Now let's get to it. The first hack is an easy way to wear a mask comfortably with just 2 hairpins and a handkerchief. First, fold the handkerchief in half twice. Fold it in half again and start rolling it as shown. Place the hairpins on both ends of the handkerchief and hang on the ear strings of the mask that you're wearing. You will feel a lot more comfortable after using this hack. What about if you have a reusable mask that keeps getting all wrinkled after being washed and dried and you need to straighten the wrinkles out? We have the fix for this. All you need is a water sprayer of any type or size that you can easily find at home. Apply the water spray to the wrinkles and the folded areas. And voila! You are good to go with a brand new looking mask. Now, the third tip is a must-try hack for those who wear glasses, or for those who want better protection from wearing a mask, which in some cases do not fully cover airflow. All you need to do is apply a bandage over the area where the air leaks. If you don't have any bandages at home, you can also use a paper towel. Simply grab a piece of paper towel and place it in between your nose and the mask. This will also protect you better, especially if you're wearing a loose mask. Let's say you don't have any of these extra items at home. No problem. Simply fold one side of the mask before you put it on. You will find yourself with a way better fitting mask, and it's so easy to do. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you found today's life hacks helpful. Please stay safe and stay positive. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. We really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.